Hello, Harasi here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Canva app on your phone. So, first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go to the search bar, search, go to the Canva app, go there, and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, that means everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So, first way, go up to the settings, apps, see all the apps, go here, Canva, go there, permissions, and allow not allowed, like here. Go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage, and that should fix issues. But if not, I'm gonna show last way. So last way, go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.